Students, in Social Studies of Standard 4, lesson number 14, in the previous part we discussed about the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Today we will study the states located in the Plateau region. We will start with the first state, that is Madhya Pradesh. As you can see here in this map, Madhya Pradesh is located in the central India, surrounded by the states of Gujarat in the west, Chhattisgarh in the east, Maharashtra in the south, Rajasthan in the northwest, Uttar Pradesh in the northeast. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Tapi, Chambal, Narmada, Son are the main rivers. The main languages of the state is Hindi, Urdu, Malvi and Bundeli. Then we will see clothing. Men wear dhoti kurta or kurta pajama. Women wear sari, salwar kameez and lehenga choli. The popular dance forms of the state is Lota, March and Gaur Maria. Festivals celebrated here are Holi, Diwali, Eid, Festival of Gwalior and music are also celebrated here. Then agriculture, block printing, paper mache, lacquer work, chanderi and Maheshwari saris provide jobs to the people. People work here in this industries and get their jobs. The main crops grown here are wheat, cotton, rice, jowar, maize, peas, beans, peanuts and linseed. Chemical, rubber, leather, forest-based industries, pharmaceuticals, diamond and emerald mining are some major industries of the state. Then Kanha National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Khajuraho Temple, Madhu are some well-known tourist spots of the state. Gwalior, Indore, Jabalpur and Panchmahari are some important cities of the state. Next we will see the state of Chhattisgarh. As you can see here, its location in the map of India, Chhattisgarh is surrounded by the states of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra in the west, Odisha in the east, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh in the north. It is a landlocked state. It is surrounded by different states from all sides. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Mahanadi is the important river of the state. Waterfalls like Chitrakoot, Tirathgarh are located here. The main languages here is Hindi and Chhattisgarhi, and tribal languages such as Halbi and Gondi are also spoken. Men wear dhoti kurta, lungi kurta and pajama kurta. Women wear heavy jewelry, colorful saris with a silver waistband called kardhani. Then Rot Nach, Pandavani and Panthi are some popular folk music and folk dance which are sung in every occasion. The main occupation of the people living here is farming. Festivals celebrated here in Chhattisgarh is Dashera, Bastar, Lok Utsav, Teej and Diwali. The main crops of Chhattisgarh are rice, linseed, betel nut and watermelon. Then Bhilai steel plant, mining of coal, iron, manganese, metal crafts, wood carvings, bamboo work provide jobs to the people. Then Kailash and Kutumsar caves, Kangar Valley National Park are some important famous spots. Then Bilaspur, Korba, Durg are some important cities of the state. Next we will see the state of Jharkhand. As you can see here in the map, Jharkhand is surrounded by the states of Bihar in the north, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the west, Odisha in the south, and West Bengal in the east. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Damodar, Koil, Brahmani, Karkai are the main rivers. Waterfalls like Chitradhara and Tamda are located here. Hindi, Santhali, Mundari, Bengali, Maithili, Bhojpuri languages are widely spoken. Then clothing, men wear dhotis and bright, colorful tribal dresses with attractive headgears. Headgears means items which are worn on the head. Women wear bright colored saris and a lot of jewelry. Chahu, Paika and Jhumar are the popular dance forms. Jitiya Puja, Karma Puja or Posh Mela, Holi, Chhat Puja are some festivals celebrated here. Agriculture, livestock farming, mining of iron ore, copper, limestone and uranium are the main occupation of the people. The main crops grown here are maize, rice, wheat, jowar and bajra. Bokaro Steel Plant, Explosives Factory of Gomia, Tata Steel Plant, Imperial Chemical Industries, art and craft industries such as woodcraft, bamboo craft, Petkar, paintings, metal works are the main industries of the state. Then Betla National Park, Palamu Tiger Reserve are some popular tourist destinations in the state of Jharkhand. Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Dhanbad and Hazaribagh are some major cities of the state. Some of the tribes which are present here are Santhal, Munda, Ho and Oraon. Next we will see the state of Telangana. Here you can see its location in the map. It is the 12th largest state of India. It is one of the 29 states in India located in the southern India. It was formed on June 2014 as the youngest state from the northwestern part of the joint state of Andhra Pradesh. It was divided, it was taken out from the state of Andhra Pradesh. Telangana is the 12th largest state of India. Its major cities include Hyderabad, Warangal, Khammam, Karimnagar and Nizamabad. Telangana is bordered by the states surrounded by the states of Maharashtra to the north and northwest, Chhattisgarh to the north, Karnataka to the west and Andhra Pradesh to the east and south. Telugu and Urdu are the official languages spoken here. About 77% of the population speak Telugu, 12% speak Urdu, whereas 13% speak other languages. Hyderabad will continue to serve as the joint capital city for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So, the capital of Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana is Hyderabad. This region receives water by two main rivers with 79% of the water from Godavari River catchment area and 69% from Krishna River catchment area. Most of the land is arid. The annual rainfall is between 900 to 1500 millimeter in the northern Telangana and 700 to 900 millimeter in the southern Telangana. Telangana is a semi-arid area and has hot and dry climate. The monsoon arrives in June and lasts till September. Mild winter starts in the late November and lasts till February. Telangana has three national parks: Kasu Brahmanda Reddy National Park in Hyderabad district, Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, Murugavni National Park in Rangareddy district. So these are the three national parks in the state. The economy of Telangana is driven by agriculture. Main occupation here is agriculture. Farmers depend on rain-fed water resources for irrigation. Rice is the major food crop here. Other crops which are grown are cotton, sugarcane, mango and tobacco. The state has also started to focus in the field of technology and biotechnology. Telangana is one of the top IT exporting states in India. Several major manufacturing and service industries are here in operation. Means here are working. Then automobiles and auto component industries, pharmaceuticals, poultry farming are the main industries here. Charminar, Golconda Fort, Qutub Shahi Tombs, Falaknuma Palace, Warangal Fort are some of the monuments found here and around Hyderabad.